Which of these did I kill? Huh?
Which one?
Yeah.
None. This is our first morning hunt. This isn't where we hunted back here. This is just a place we stopped to clean them. We hunted east of Manning in a grass field. We've probably seen how many pheasants?
1,400 anyway.
Yeah, probably about 100. We had plenty of opportunity. So hopefully we'll get some more. We need a couple more to get our limit. And we'll have a good time. We still got a lot of days to hunt. Hey Mark, why do you think you missed this morning?
Huh? Why I think I missed?
Why do you think you missed them
Hell,
birds?
I was shooting at them, straight at them. I don't know how I could miss them. I mean, there was always two flying. Every time I'd see them, there'd be two, and I'd shoot it. Shoot them, and I'd miss them. It's unbelievable how I missed them. I'm kind of upset about it. But
There'll be other times, buddy.
I think, you know, it's just, now I see why y'all wanted me to come up here so you can shoot my birds.
We wouldn't do that. We had plenty of opportunity. Shoot your birds. We'll get you a bird.
Have obviously Lake.
We'll get you some birds, even if we have to go to Walmart and buy you chicken.
I think we ought to go to the zoo. I saw some pinned up down there.